Welcome back to Generation 3's Crypto Market Outlook. I'm James, your guide for today's forecast. Today, we're taking a closer look at Bitcoin's current price and what might happen over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Will Bitcoin break through the big $100,000 mark, or are we in for a pause? Let's break it down. Today, we're going to explore 3 potential scenarios for Bitcoin's price action over the next 2 to 4 weeks, with a focus on the most likely outcome based on our current technical analysis, market sentiment, and broader macro factors. Our main objective is to provide a clear and data-backed perspective on where Bitcoin may be heading without biased information. This information is provided for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries significant risk, and you should conduct further research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. I don't suggest you listen to us. We are just giving a best guess with the tea leaves. Stay here if you would like to explore further technical indicators or discuss potential external market influences that could impact Bitcoin's price action. To understand where BTC is going, we have to know where is Bitcoin now. Right now, Bitcoin is worth about $94,000. Over the last month, Bitcoin has gone up almost 40%. That's a big move, but it hasn't yet passed the key level of $100,000. This is an important number, psychologically as much as anything else, and many people are watching to see what happens next. Let's dive into the analysis. The resistance levels that we see coming up would be $100,000 to $105,000. Here are our 3 most likely scenarios for the Bitcoin market for the next 2 to 4 weeks. When analyzing Bitcoin's potential price movement in the near term, we generally identify 3 main scenarios. 1. A big rise in a bullish breakout. BTC could pass $100,000 and climb to $105,000 or even higher. When bullish momentum happens, it tends to continue for a while with BTC. Why? Breaking $100,000 might bring in more buyers and excitement, especially with ETF demand and media shining its light more on BTC price action. 2. A sideways consolidation phase, where Bitcoin could range between $90,000 and $97,000 as it pauses before its next big move. Why? Buyers and sellers could take a break, waiting for the next big move, being that the 100,000 resistance level hasn't been broken, and other indicators explained in a moment. 3. A bearish pullback correction, which would involve Bitcoin pulling back to test support and might fall to $85,000 if people start selling or bad news affects the market. FUD could force it down to a $65,000 support pullback. Based on our current data and analysis, the strongest likelihood lies with scenario 2, a sideways consolidation phase. Bitcoin will probably stay in a range between $90,000 and $97,000. This gives the market time to settle before it tries to break above $100,000 again. Now for some technical indicators to explain why we are saying that a consolidation phase may continue. 1. Buying and selling strength, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Right now, the RSI says Bitcoin is overbought, meaning a lot of people have been buying quickly. This can sometimes lead to a pause or a dip. 2. Moving averages. The MA line is above the signal line, which is a classic bullish indicator. The 50-day MA is above the 200-day MA, creating a golden cross. Significance of this is a bullish indicator, suggesting the market may continue upward in the medium to long term. The 200-day MA is trending upward, reinforcing long-term bullish sentiment. 3. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. What it is? The MACD is a trend-following indicator showing the relationship between 2 moving averages, 12-day and 26-day EMA, along with a signal line. The MACD line is well above the signal line, which is a bullish signal. The histogram is positive and widening, confirming upward momentum. What to watch? If the MACD line crosses below the signal line or the histogram starts narrowing, it could suggest a weakening uptrend or potential reversal. 3. Bollinger Bands. Bitcoin is trading near the upper edge of its Bollinger Bands, signaling strength in the current uptrend. BTC hasn't breached the upper band, meaning it isn't overextended yet. Staying close to the upper Bollinger Band without crossing it suggests that Bitcoin's trend is strong but still controlled, which is ideal for a sustained upward move. Number 4. Volume Profile. The trading volume has been notably high, especially on days when Bitcoin's price increases. Daily trading volume. Over the past 24 hours, November 25, 2024, Bitcoin has seen a trading volume of approximately $41 billion, down slightly from its weekly average of $44 billion. While still healthy, this decrease suggests a slight hesitation among traders as BTC approaches the key $100,000 resistance level. High volume during price gains is generally a sign of solid buying interest. This volume strength further supports our bullish outlook, as it indicates broad market participation, including both retail and institutional investors. Let's talk about some external market factors, going into why we believe a bullish trend will continue for the next few weeks. 1. Institutional investment and macro environment. Institutional interest in Bitcoin has remained high, especially as more corporations and asset managers look to BTC as an inflation hedge. Continued capital flow from large institutions provides a solid foundation, making it less likely for Bitcoin to face a major sell-off in the near term. 2. Market Sentiment Fear and Greed Index. The index is in extreme greed, meaning people are feeling very optimistic. But this level of excitement can sometimes lead to a cooldown. This positive sentiment is an important factor in sustaining the upward momentum we're currently seeing in Bitcoin's price. But being so far in the greed area can cause investors to step back a bit on the gas. 3. Big picture, news and regulations. Recent regulatory news has been neutral to positive, with some countries creating frameworks that encourage institutional adoption of Bitcoin. ETFs are bringing in a lot of new money for Bitcoin, which is helping it grow. However, upcoming talks in Europe about crypto rules could add some uncertainty. Now, here are some key levels and events to watch we believe will help indicate bullish momentum will continue. Breakout above recent resistance if Bitcoin manages to break above the $100,000 mark. Upcoming economic events. Keep an eye on global economic updates, such as inflation reports or interest rate decisions, as these events can impact investor demand for Bitcoin as a hedge asset. In summary, we believe a sideways consolidation phase is the most likely movement over to next 2 to 4 weeks, based on the current momentum in key technical indicators. Bitcoin is in a strong position right now, but the market may take a pause before moving higher. Keep an eye on key levels, network activity, and the latest news. If Bitcoin breaks $100,000, things could get exciting, but patience is key. This outlook combines both quantitative data and qualitative factors, creating a comprehensive view of Bitcoin's potential price action. We have to give another disclaimer. This analysis is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please make your own choices. Key takeaways from our technical analysis. Bullish indicators: a golden cross, 50-day MA, 200-day MA. A MACD line above the signal line with a widening histogram. Price remains above major support levels and ascending trend lines. Now for some of the cautionary signals. RSI is overbought, suggesting the possibility of consolidation or short-term corrections. Volume has been steady but not explosive, which may limit upward momentum unless demand increases. Cryptocurrency trading involves significant risk, and it's essential to do your own research or consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. I hope this is entertaining and maybe helpful. Like, subscribe, and maybe tell us what you think the near future of the crypto and BTC specifically will be. Until next time on the Crypto Market Outlook. Have a good one.